I'm going to show you how to achieve a beautiful smoky eye with just 3 products. Yes, just 3 products. Let's get into the video. All right, so we're going to be using this Revolution palette. I'm so excited to use this. Can you all see the beautiful browns that are in this palette? This to me is a dream palette. I'm a neutral girl and I love these colors. They are so pretty. These are the colors right here. So we're only going to be using 2 eyeshadow colors from this palette. I'm going to be using this color brown right here. This is going to be my first color shadow that I'm going to put on my lid. So I'm just going to tap that on and then blend it in because I really want the color to show. And I'm also going to bring it up pretty high right underneath my brow bone. But I am leaving a little area. I'm not touching my eyebrow, but I'm going up pretty high and just putting it on like so. You don't even have to worry about putting a lot on your lid because I'm going to be going over this with a dark color. This is basically going to be my transition color right here, and it's super easy, super simple. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to go in with another brush. It is a little bit more dense. I'm going to use that. And of course, we're going to be doing a smoky eye. I want my lid to be extremely dark. So we're going to go in with this black right here. You can see a slight shimmer in it. We're going to take that and we're just going to pack that on top of our lid. I like to dab it on top like so. And I'm really just going to pack that in over top of my lid. There are so many different ways you can do a smoky eye. This is just one way, but this method to me is super easy, super quick. You might not have a lot of time to get ready, so this is just an easy way to achieve that look. I'm bringing it up just a little bit over my lid, not too high. Okay, I really want my lid to be super dark. Of course, you're going to tailor this to your preference of how dark you want your eyes to be. We're going to do that same technique on the other lid. I'm going to go back in with my brush here that I used for the brown, and we're going to blend this out. We're not quite finished with this smoky eye. We're going to go ahead and do a full face of makeup. So we're going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. And after we've done that, we're going to go in with a foundation. It is the Juvia's Place Natural Radiance Foundation right here. We're going to be using this one today. And I have the color Tanzania. This is such a beautiful foundation, such a pretty color. I feel like it is my same skin complexion, and it's just overall a very beautiful foundation, and it does exactly what it says, a natural radiant look. So as you can see here, my skin is like glowing. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer right here. This is in the color 31Y. It is a brighter concealer, but if I'm going on a date, if I'm going out to an event, that's kind of what I imagine when you wear a smoky eye. It seems like you're really going somewhere. Not saying you have to, but normally when I'm going somewhere and I want a smoky eye, it's like on a date or I'm going to an event. So, and this is a lighter concealer. Like I said with my makeup, it just depends on the mood. It depends on how I want to look. And even when I'm doing my everyday makeup, I don't have to have a super bright under eye. It's just really according to how I feel, how I want my makeup to look for that day. Normally on an everyday basis, I don't have to have a super bright under eye. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply a little bit to my chin. Just a little bit up here. A little goes a long way with this concealer. You do not need a lot of it. Blending out my chin. And then I'm blending out my forehead. Just making sure that's all blended together. Then I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm going to use the color Cinnamon Bun today. And I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eye. I love this color setting powder. It is so pretty. All right, and we're just going to apply a little bit more of that to our forehead. It's all coming together. All right, and today I'm going to be using a bronzer by ColourPop. This one right here. I love this bronzer because when I put it on, it also acts like a blush. So it's a 2-in-1. So we're going to use that today as a bronzer and a blush. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to dab it on and bring it up my cheekbone like this. Can you all see how that's just a beautiful bronzer, but it can also be a blush? We're also going to put that on our forehead, just everywhere we want to look bronze. All right, and then we're just going to go into that eyeshadow again and just really blend it out. I really want a dramatic look here. So that's why we're just blending, blending, blending. Okay, I'm going to wipe this lip balm I had on off. And we're going to get into this lip combo. If you're wondering what I had on, I was wearing the Burt's Bees tinted lip balm in the color Sweet Violet. You guys know I use this all the time. I'm going to be using my Hot Cocoa lip liner by NYX, and we're just going to line our lips. This is such a pretty color. And then we're going to go in with our Milani 410 matte lipstick, and we're just going to put that in the middle. And then we're going to go in with my Juvia's Place lip gloss. This is the color Brown Sugar. This is in their coffee shop collection. I love their lip glosses if you guys have not tried them out. I'm going to go back in with that liner and just kind of reline. Just bringing a little bit of that color from the lip pencil back in. We're going to go back into that first brown that we used before, this one right here. And we're going to use that and just put it under our eye. I'm using a smaller brush for this because this is going to be going under my eye. So this has more of a dense, small, tapered look that it's going to be easy for me to just line my under eyes with. Kind of bringing it up to meet. This is such a unique look. It's so beautiful, especially, you know, when you want to look a little bit fancy. We're going to go in with our Tower 28 lip and eye pencil, and we're going to be using this. I have the color Draw Me, and we're going to put it along our waterline here at the bottom. So pretty, so pretty. I love this look. All right, and next I'm going to go in with my Ilia mascara right here, and we're just going to do some mascara on my bottom lashes. All right, and then we're going to go into one of my favorite highlighters. This is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and my top broke off, but I want to show you guys this is such a pretty color that you've seen before, but it is just gorgeous. And I'm just going to dab a little bit on my nose right here. We're going to put a little bit right here at the top of my nose, not my entire nose, just at the beginning of my bridge. A little bit on my cheeks. Just blend away. That's with everything until you get the look that you are going for, okay? So just make sure you have it the way you want it to look. The last thing I'm going to use is my e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray, and we're just going to spray our face. And it feels really good. It's like a reward after doing your makeup. And all right, guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this 3-product smoky eye tutorial. I hope it will make things easier for you when you're trying to do this look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell because that will alert you when I upload more videos. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.